Hope all of you are doing well. So in today's video I'm going to show you around my house where I live in Oxford. So as you can see, I'm putting some rice into this plate, so I'm going to have my lunch and I'm going to heat up the lunch, and as my lunch is getting heated up I'm going to show you around my house. So right now I have a little bit of lessened workload because it's vacation time, it's Easter vacation time, and basically term hasn't started yet, so I've cooked quite a good quantity of food. These are quintessentially Bengali Indian food. So as I started this video with food, let me start the showing around with the kitchen. So the food is inside the microwave now, and as you can see, this is our kitchen, and I have two shelves that are allocated to me. I live here with my housemate. So in this shelf I'm going to tell you in details what is there in this shelf, and there is another shelf and I'm going to say that as well. So as I was saying, in this shelf are all the spices that I use mostly on a regular basis that are already open, and a few utensils are also there, as you can see. And these are all the spices that I have brought back from India because it's not very easily available in Oxford, and even if they are, I have to really source them down, and some of the things you don't even get. As you peek through the window, you can see our very tiny kitchen garden come backyard, and it's really lovely at this time of the day. We are going to take a bit of a walk in the backyard as we go further along into the video, but let's focus back into the kitchen. We also have a washing machine and a dryer, and the other shelf that I have are basically stocked with the spices that I have not opened yet, and these are also very quintessentially Indian spices. Apart from that, there are two kettles. One kettle is for boiling water and the other kettle is for basically boiling egg. I find it very convenient to boil eggs in a kettle and prepare rice in the microwave. These two I just feel are lifesavers, and these are the hacks that I use almost on a regular basis. These are my diet staples. So that's basically what our kitchen looks like. When I first came here, what I really needed to get used to was how to make myself drag out of the bed and cook things in the cold. But now I'm finding these hacks which I are really useful on a day-to-day basis. Let's now move on to the dining room that we have. So this is our very quaint small dining room. Beautiful daffodil flowers in our window, and there are two bookshelves. One belongs to me and the other belongs to my housemate. So this is my bookshelf, and there are not a lot of work books in the shelf. It's basically books that you would like to read when you don't want to read stuff that are related to work. And this is just our very simple but cozy dining room. Now this is the room where I spend, I think, most hours in the day when I'm in the house. This is our living room, which I love sitting by the window. That is my corner in the sofa where I sit down and I work, and this is the front of our house. And the tiny plant that you see by the window is a plant that was gifted to me by my friend for my birthday. And I'm just very bad with plants. Every time I buy plants or someone gives me plants, I just can't keep them alive, and then I become really sad. But I have somehow almost managed to keep this one alive, and I'm very proud of it. And it's really also super cute. When I first came to England, I obviously knew how cold it can be, but it's not the same as experiencing it. So I was in England during winter this time, and it was just absolutely dreadful. So it's spring now, and the beautiful weather just makes up for it. So this is another like small shot of the same room from a different angle when the sun was shining, and it just, the room itself looks so beautiful. So I just wanted to show you that. This is how the house looks when you, as you enter through the door. So I'm now going to take you through the door to our backyard, and you would see what I mean by the spring being all worth it for surviving the winter. When I first came to the country, everything was just very new to me, and I didn't know much of the place, like it is to everyone who moves countries to be in a new place. So, what I used to do, and even now I do, is I really wanted to learn about the flowers, the trees that grow here, basically learn about nature, because I felt if I know the names of the flowers, the kind of plants and trees we see here, I would feel more at ease and more at one with the place. Look at these flowers, and they're absolutely gorgeous. So cherry blossoms, have heard about them and seen beautiful pictures on the internet. And I was waiting for spring to arrive, and we do have this beautiful cherry blossom tree that we can see from our backyard. And every time, I look at the sky, the beautiful blue sky, the flowers, it's just surreal. While chatting with you, the food is already heated and all prepared. So I'm going to have my lunch now. But if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you want to watch my next video, don't forget to hit the bell icon beside the subscribe button so that you get notified about it. And I'll see you very soon. Bye.